Engine off. Flight mode 1. Flaps up. Normal mode on.
Normal mode on. Alright. Oh, I gotta have the damn adapter. Didn't we buy some of them? Yeah. There you go. There you go. Do his little dance. Do your dance, buddy.
Armed. Engine off.
Light
Flaps down. Flaps down. Flaps up.
Left, right, up, down. All right. Still. All right, y'all. Here's the Valiant. The Eflight Valiant. Y'all know I love this plane. It is a great flying plane. Got more wind than what I really like. You can see the airplane shaking there, but we're gonna give it a shot.
Armed.
See what the Valiant can do on the windy day. All right, she's up. The Valiant is up in the air. I am running in safe. Admiral 2600 3S battery. I can tell when I get in that wind. I can see that wind when that thing turns. It goes in that wind right there. It's bouncing a little bit, but it ain't too bad. To about a 5-minute flight. I got about 4 minutes left. Gotta call it out with 3. It's a good flying plane. I love this plane. I told y'all from the get-go I was gonna fly this plane a lot. I really like this plane. Very forgiving. Well, that wind's getting it now, boy. Woo! There's at least a 10-mile-an-hour wind. Look at that thing wiggling. Almost hit a bird. All right, I'm gonna give it a couple more rounds. Woo! First time flying in wind like this. It's not bad, it's not terrible, but just gotta stay on it. Had to get a little power there. This is a fun flying plane right here. All right, next time by. I'm trying to put her down. How many minutes I got? I got 2 minutes left. I'm gonna do a couple more. All right, one more time. One more time on a low pass. Low, slow. All right, I'm landing. Oh boy, whoa, 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 whoa. All right.
Engine off.
I did the same thing. I landed with the wind, so it was hauling tail. But I think we're good. I think we're all right. I think we're okay. I think she's fine. Oh yeah, she's all right. She's good. Yeah, she's fine. She's good to go.
Armed.
It's a great flying plane. I mean, a lot of fun. That is one fun. That's a fun plane right there. Whoop.
Engine off.
Throttle cut is on. Not bad for some wind, y'all. Not bad at all. I did the same thing though. I came in with the wind. She was getting it coming down the wrong way, but we got her down. She's safe. She's one piece. It's a great flying plane, the Valiant from Eflight. I told y'all from the get-go I was going to fly this thing a lot, and I really like this plane. It's a good confidence builder, along with the F-86 I flew a little bit ago. But took her home and washed her up a little bit. She'll be ready to go again. It wasn't that bad. The only time I really felt the wind is when I turned in that corner right there. You kind of see it do that a little bit, but other than that, and I would have tried to land from this direction, but the wind's coming from that direction. So I'm like, I think either way, it'd probably be a little bit more, probably slow it down more coming from that way, because it's more or less coming from, you can see the wind sock over there. See, it's pointing about the same that one is.